So if you're using an older version of CapCut instead of CapCut Pro, because you're a smart technical person who prefers doing things efficiently and for free, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use an older version of CapCut to add auto captions to your videos without purchasing CapCut Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to make sure that you're using an older version of CapCut. Just like the one I'm using here, CapCut version 1.5.0. The issue with this version is that although the auto caption option exists, the captions don't actually generate. The alternative is to manually type captions or copy and paste your script, but that process is extremely time-consuming. To avoid that, the trick I'm about to share will be very useful for you. Many professionals are already using this method, so you should definitely try it as well. First, your video should already have a voiceover. My recommendation is to complete your entire video editing process first. Once the editing is finished, you should export only the voiceover from CapCut. The reason is that if you generate captions before editing, the caption timing won't match the voiceover accurately. During editing, we usually cut unnecessary gaps or remove certain words, which causes captions to shift forward or backward. That's why I recommend exporting the voiceover only after the full edit is complete. To do this, click on the Export button, uncheck Video Export, and export only the MP3 audio. After exporting, open any browser and search for an AI tool called Descript. Open the website and sign in using your Gmail account. Since I've already signed up, I'll just sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the homepage like this. You'll notice several options, but since we only need captions for audio, and click on the last option, Transcribe a file. After clicking it, a new tab will open. Here, upload the audio file that you just exported from CapCut. I'm uploading it now. As you can see, the file has been uploaded and the processing has started automatically. At this stage, the auto captions will begin generating. You'll be able to see the captions created from your audio file. If your voiceover is clear and well recorded, around 99% of the captions will be generated accurately. However, you should still review them carefully. Now we need to download the subtitle file. In the top corner, you'll see an export button. Click on it and select the last option, Subtitles. From there, choose the first .srt file. Click Export and save it. Next, go back to CapCut. Open the Text tab and click on the option called Local Captions. Here, upload the .srt subtitle file you just downloaded. To add the captions to the timeline, first move the playhead to the very beginning of the video, where the video starts. Then click on the plus icon in the Captions section and the captions will be added automatically. After that, you can customize the captions by changing the font, adjusting preset styles, adding stroke, and applying animations of your choice. If you notice any mistakes in the captions, you can easily correct them using the caption editing options. Once all the settings are done, you can finally export your video.